Hey everyone, I got a pretty quick and simple video for you today. A lot of times getting the instrument cluster off, you run into a challenge, and that is getting this headlight knob out of here. I'm going to show you how to do that. First, what I'm going to show you is what kind of a pain it is to actually get at this. And it is a bit of a pain. And then after I show you that, I'm going to take you over to the bench and we will take a look at one of these switches on the bench. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So what I have to do is I have to get my arm up, and usually the knob is up on top of the switch. And I'm just going to depress that to show you it is possible, even though it is terribly tight to get in a lot of these times. And the other thing, when you're doing this, you're probably going to want to disconnect the battery if you're taking this out for any length of time. So you pull the knob out, you push the button, and it pulls right out. To go back in, you put it in and you rotate it and it'll click in, and now it's in solid. So I'll take you over to the bench and show you exactly what I did. First of all, I should mention on a lot of the aftermarket knobs, there's a little set screw. So if you have a hard time getting into the back, first look for the set screw. The factory stuff does not have that. It's actually molded right on to the end of these. Okay, I have an old headlight switch out of something. I have no idea what it was out of, but this is what it looks like. And so this should have a knob on it, headlights on, headlights off. So in order to get this out, what you do is you want to pull it out, push this in, and then this just releases. And then when you go to put it back together, you can see this is triangle shaped and that's triangle shaped. A lot of time you can just put it in and it'll get it first go. Sometimes you have to give it a bit of a rotate to get it to go in, but it is literally as simple as that. As long as you can get your arm in to release that button. Pretty simple. I have a lot of other videos out there. Hopefully there are some tricks that you'd be able to use or some useful information on those. But right now I got to get back to the 79 F-150. It is a really cool old truck. I'm going to have another video coming out on how to use the factory cruise control buttons with an electronic cruise control. Just getting that figured out. That's part of this process. So if you have any questions about what I showed you today, just throw that in the comments. And if you don't mind, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.